guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. This is Emma, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I do unboxings. Lately I've been obsessed with DHgate unboxings. I love Apple products. I do vlogs. I'm kind of all over the place, but yeah. So today is a different kind of video. If you've watched my vlogs or you're here from DHgate or what have you, I use the Gopro Hero 9 with the media mod mostly for my vlog content, and I'm filming on the Sony ZV-1, which was my old vlog camera, but I've been using it recently for sit-down videos because I have two kids, a 2-year-old and a 4-month-old, and I'm so deathly afraid that I'm going to drop this beautiful camera while trying to vlog and holding their hands or something. So this one has been just for sit-down videos recently. So my GoPro Hero 9 has recently been, the screen has been blacking out or showing up with these really weird lines on the screen. My software is all updated. I've never dropped it or anything. So there's no reason that should be happening, and I bought the GoPro Hero 9 a month ago. So I was kind of like, this is weird, and nothing was helping it. So I went to Best Buy. It was past my return date, but I was like, only by 3 days. And I was just like, I don't want to return it. Like, I don't want my money back. I really just want my camera to work. So, luckily, got the GoPro Hero 9 again. Which is really, really good, because maybe that one was just defective or something. But, so, let's take a thumbnail real quick, and then we'll get to the unboxing, because I never got to unbox my first GoPro Hero 9. So, here we go. Okay, hopefully that was long enough. So here it is. Put you guys all down. I'm just sitting on my bed. It's real cash video. For Boppy. How do I open this again? Oh. This carrying case, which is kind of cool because I have 2 carrying cases now. This is what it looks like when you open it. So right here you've got your USB-C charging cable. You've got your GoPro battery. Got a sticky mount. Okay, if I can get it out. Got a screw and another type of mount. So here's what everyone wants to see, and I just throw this away. Here's the GoPro. That was sad. Okay, so let's pop the battery in. These doors suck. They're so hard. Let me get my SD card. Okay. Okay. So you can do a little setup process with you. Here, I'll flip you around. So we're going to choose English. Agree. Turn that off. I have installed the GoPro app. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to do this later. Okay, the date is 1/23/22. That's crazy. The time is 227. Okay, so for vlogging, I always tend to do 4K, and I do 30 frames per second. I do wide, hyper smooth. I'll just put on. And then I keep all this. Yeah, that all looks fine. Okay, so I'm gonna try turning it on and off again. See if that does anything. Okay. So we're gonna swipe down. Let's try again. Connections. Finally, we found your GoPro. So you get pair camera, pair. Yay! Finally. Yes. Okay, so I guess it's updating. So I'm going to plug this in so that it doesn't die while it's updating, and I'll come back to you when it's done. Currently transferring the software update to the GoPro. Okay guys, so it's much later. The GoPro is all set up, thankfully, in charge now. So I'm going to finish my, oh that's so cool, vlogception. It's set up now, so I am just going to, first of all, turn down the beep volume, because the beeps give you away in public. Okay, I'm back. This video has been literally everywhere. So sorry about that. Yes, I turned the beeper off, because that is the one dead giveaway when you are vlogging in public with this thing, is that when you turn it on, it goes beep, 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 beep. Which is kind of annoying, if you ask me. I went out to my car because I could not find my media mod. And I was like, where the heck did my media mod go? Where is she? So I got her. She was in my back seat. Okay, here you go. You slide it right on in. Close the door. Perfect. So the cool thing about this is that, first of all, the microphone, and then it'll show you media mod connected. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, media mod connected. The mic is set to front. You can change the mic settings. Let's see. There's something wrong with my display. So let's see if I can do my display. Okay, so this is screen off, stats, which is kind of like defeating the purpose of a GoPro Hero 9. Actual. Oh yeah, okay, so I do actual. I was trying to remember the settings I do. So actual is like actually what you look like, and then it shows you your battery percentage, what you're shooting in, which is 4K 30 wide. Standard. It shows me my memory card. I have an hour and 25 minutes left, and yeah, so I like this setting personally for my GoPro front screen, because I was like, why does it look so weird? Okay, anyway, yes, this is my vlog setup. This makes it really easy to charge. Here, I think it's the middle one. Here, because it's USB-C, so I don't have to like take the door off or anything. I can literally just plug it in, charge it up, which makes life super easy. Here's your mic import for the media mod. There you go. And I forget what this port is. Oh, I think it's HDMI or mini HDMI, which I never use because I use the GoPro app to sync all my footage. So yeah, anyway, it's like 7:30 at night and I should probably finish my vlog now because I had like a lot of time in my day that was not vlogged because my GoPro was getting replaced by this one. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. I have a bunch of DHK things coming in, so yeah, get ready for that. But I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.